For today's quiz, we're talking about simple switches. This is a knife switch. I can turn things on, I can turn them off. There's one pull and there's one throw. So we call that a single pull, single throw switch. There's other configurations. I can have a single pull, but I can throw it one way or I could throw it the other way. These are called throws. So this is a single pull, double throw. Our quiz today is going to be turning a light bulb on and off every time we throw a switch. That's what the circuit looks like. You'll notice we have a battery, we have a light bulb, and I've got switch 1 and switch 2. These are the various throws that I can use to get the action that I'd like. The quiz simply asks, for every time I throw one of the switches, I need the bulb to do the opposite of either turning on or turning off. So take a look at that quiz. As always, write down your explanation as well as your confidence level. Here I have it drawn. Here's our battery, here's our light bulb. A, B, C, and D. I just kind of split them into different configurations. For instance, if I took this particular throw, I could put it right here. On the other side for D, I could have this going straight up for that throw. And the other switches are different configurations. Let's go through and figure out which one actually works. Let's try A at first. If A has the first switch, I pop that off and put it down here. Take this one and put it up here. Right now, that bulb would be off. However, when I switched either one of these, the bulb will now illuminate. Switch down, you could see the path of the current to the light bulb. Switch it up, now the path is no longer going to make it. Switch it up on this side, the bulb illuminates. Notice every time I switch, I get the opposite. And therefore, it must be that combination. And that's your quiz for today.